Hi everyone, it's Dan. I just wanted to offer you a little instruction on your assignment for homework. I want to offer more clarity at times because I think people get a little lost. Anyway, we're on our home website, Environmental Science, right on the top. Like I said, you go to our calendar, and if you go down on that, you're going to notice that due on Sunday night is right here, homework, Nearpod Guided Research Ocean Acidification. Now you can use the link here if you copy and paste it to get to that. I think it's way easier to go down to this week's assignments, and we're looking specifically October 12 through 16. And we're now going to go down to Thursday, October 15th. And you'll notice that there's a little picture here regarding a slideshow. But really what I want you to do is open the link. There's a button called Google Classroom Assignment. So you click on that, and what it will do is bring you directly to that assignment, okay? So this is how it works. Be aware, if you do need a code, for some reason it seems some people do, it is right there. Otherwise, you click on the link, like so. And then you want to log in with your Google account, like so. And then, yes, that's me. It may ask you for a name, make sure that's you. And then it's going to go into our guided research. So you want to do is simply use these arrows here on the right side to move from slide to slide. I will ask that you also do this thing called notes. And what you can do is you can, when you're done, you can send them by email, you can send them by Google Drive or OneDrive. Probably best would be to go and send them right into your Google Drive, which I just did. So while you're doing things, you can add notes to the activities. Okay, so essential questions really are there to tell you what is this all about. Be aware of that. And then the objectives that are part of the process. And then you get these things like, hey, let's learn today's lesson. This is what we're doing. And then you also have these things that are called review slides. 1, 2. So they're going to give you, in this case, specifically some background vocabulary to refresh if you don't understand or just want a little refresher. Then move on. And then we're going to go to ocean acidification. You're going to read an article. Now, this is where the notes really come handy. Because you want to read this article, there might be quite a bit of information about ocean acidification, measuring it, and reducing it. So what you could do while you're reading is you can simply have that website open, and you can also open up the notes as you go along, and then you can type in ideas that you have around this. So I might say ocean acidification, right? And then from there, you can add things that you read about. And now you have a history of it, which is super cool. Okay. When you're done with that, you have a question to answer. Okay, you can also listen to a question. If you click on that, you'll get a little reader to help you with that, to make it bigger. You can also play it. Okay. And you can also, if you need to, go back to the website. Pretty cool. All right. So there you go. Once you type your answer in this case, you got to do some sketching. So be aware you can sketch various things on here. You can add text, which is really helpful. You can even add images, which is rather remarkable. And you can, it looks like an eraser, right? So there you go. So you got lots of options for that. You can also lock it. Just make sure that you click submit when you're done. And then you have open-ended questions, which you know how this works. Again, you can add things in terms of from the website, okay? You have to answer it, be aware of that. So that's it. I mean, you go through that, make sure that once you are done, that you turn this in, okay? This one includes a website and more data and a video and an open-ended question, okay? See how that works? You submit it. Oh, I didn't type anything. Submit. Hope you can answer better than I just did, all right? And you can watch another video, another open-ended question, and put it in, submit, and then you are done. If you want, really, you can start over. Like you say, you didn't like how that went and all that. But again, I highly recommend using this notes page to assist you with maintaining things that you're confused by. So let's say you're still having a hard time with pH, you can add things into your notes to allow you to remember that. And then later on in Google Classroom, you can find that material that's there. Okay? And here are my notes and so on. So that is that. I just wanted to share that with you. I hope that helps you in the future. You can always find me on our chat or not our chat, sorry. Our, what you might call that thing, you know, that app that you can talk to me with. You know, the one, the Remind. There you go. So that's a story. Okay, bye now.